Hi everyone. We have reached to near to 1000 subscribers. Please subscribe to have more educational videos from us. So we are in the Python tutorials part 2. We will discuss what are the silent features of Python. We'll see. When we have earlier programming experience, if we learn, we feel very happy and we observe that it is very simple when compared to C, C++, because similar to English language, when give input commands, output commands, even loops also very easy to understand. So let us have first one, easy to learn and use. Generally, when we look at the each command, it's very easy to understand. So it is called expressive language. And generally, compiler and interpreter we know. So it is an interpreted language. Instead of complete program, we get interpretation of the program line by line. So we come to know where the mistake is instead of execution. We know we have different operating systems. Python can learn on a variety of operating systems. It's a free and open source here because we can modify the language commands. Python is also object oriented language. Classes, objects, and come into existence here also. So it is a extensible language. So Python also consists of a large standard library. We have graphical user interface can be developed using Python. Games such as different various options. So we can integrate the Python with C, CPP, and Java, etc. So in the next class we will see another concept. Please and other educational videos also. Thank you.